Hello my dear friends, this is my first video on YouTube. Today I am going to talk about English speaking. My dear friends, if you are a beginner and if you want to talk or if you want to speak in English, few things you need to do every day. These are affirmations. If you say these affirmations regularly, your English speaking ability increase increase day by day, and you will be a perfect speaker in future. So if you want to speak in English, you practice these affirmation like I can speak English. I can speak English fluently. I can speak English confidently. I practice English speaking regularly. I practice English speaking with my teachers. I practice English speaking with my friends, with my family. I practice English speaking on the road, on the ground. These are affirmations you need to practice regularly. The more you practice, your speaking ability will grow definitely. So, my dear friends, you must practice these affirmations. And who want to speak fluently, you need to practice daily. You need to practice daily English speaking. At least 10 or 15 minutes you have to spend with English speaking. If you not practice daily, then you will not be able to speak in English. So, my dear friends, you must practice regularly. The more you practice, you become better and better day by day. More, most of the people do wrong things. They do not practice correctly. They practice a lot of grammar rules, structures, memorizing hard words. These are wrong practices. If you practice hard grammar, hard words, then you will not be you will be not achieve to the fluency level. So first you have to practice easy simple words like I can speak, I go, I sleep, I run, I walk, I talk. These are small sentences you have to practice regularly. So, my dear friends, you must practice these sentences regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe and share and comment my video. So, my friends, that's all for today's video. See you on the next video. Bye bye. See you.